Hey, welcome. So think about your business for a second. Imagine it's this high-performance vehicle, right? For it to really fly and win the race, every single part has to work together just perfectly. But what happens when that engine starts to sputter? You know, when the parts just aren't in sync? Well, that's exactly what we're digging into today. Digital transformation. And we're going to be using the Zoho ecosystem as our super powerful engine.
So here's our roadmap for this trip. First, we'll talk about what this transformation engine actually is. Then we're going to pop the hood and look at the key apps, the real guts of the machine. After that, we'll get into the power of a custom tune-up. And I'll show you how you can take this thing for a risk-free test drive. And finally, we'll figure out your next move. Sound good? Let's go.
All right, let's hit the road. Every big journey has a starting point, and for a ton of businesses, that starting line is, let's be honest, a place of frustration. It's just full of these annoying operational roadblocks. So let me ask you this, point blank. Does your team waste a crazy amount of time jumping between different software, programs that just refuse to talk to each other? Are you guys stuck doing manual data entry, just copying and pasting stuff, using these clunky workarounds? If you're nodding your head right now, trust me, you are not alone. These are the classic signs of an engine that just isn't powerful enough for where you want to go.
Look, the solution here isn't some minor tweak or a quick fix. It's time for a full-on engine upgrade. See, digital transformation is all about installing one single, seamlessly integrated system that powers your entire operation. And the Zoho ecosystem? Well, it was literally built to be that engine.
Okay, it's time to pop the hood and really see what makes this engine roar. Let's take a good look at the core components, the pieces that all work together to drive your business forward.
First up, we've got the absolute heart of the engine, Zoho CRM. And this is so much more than just a contact list. Think of it as the command center for every single one of your customer relationships. What's cool is it's deeply customizable. You can tailor everything from data modules to workflows. They even have this thing called blueprints, which lets you map out and enforce your exact sales process step by step. It's all about making customer management fit your business, not the other way around.
But what if your business has some process that's totally unique, something that no off-the-shelf software can possibly handle? Well, that's where Zoho Creator comes in. It's like having your own in-house fabrication shop. It lets you build custom applications from scratch that are perfectly molded to fit your specific, unique way of doing things.
And of course, no business engine is complete without a way to manage the fuel, right? That's Zoho Books. It's your financial command center. It handles all the accounting, obviously, but the crucial part is how it integrates so smoothly, not just with other Zoho apps like your CRM, but also with other third-party tools you might already be using. It all just connects.
Okay, so you've got all these really powerful components, but making them work in perfect harmony for your specific business, that's where the magic really happens. We're talking about getting a custom tune-up for peak performance. And here's the best part. You don't have to be the master mechanic here. Zoho certified developers, these are the experts. They're the ones who can take this whole suite of tools and configure, customize, and build it out to solve your exact business problems. They use tools like their Delit scripting language to connect everything and handle even the most complex business logic.
And this process isn't just guesswork. It follows a really clear, structured path. A developer starts by truly understanding your business needs. Then, they customize the CRM and its workflows. After that, they build out any custom apps you might need with Creator. And finally, the big one. They integrate everything into one seamless, powerful system.
And this really highlights the huge difference here. On one side, you've got generic software that forces you into these clumsy workarounds. You know, it's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. But on the other side, a custom Zoho solution gives you workflows and integrations that are tailored precisely to how you do business. The difference in efficiency? It's like night and day.
So, all of this probably sounds pretty great, right? But how can you be sure it's the right vehicle for you? I mean, you wouldn't buy a car without taking it for a spin, would you? Well, Zoho feels the exact same way about their software.
The whole philosophy is actually really simple. Give people a real, hands-on experience before they have to commit to anything. That free trial isn't some marketing gimmick, it's a core part of their strategy. It's designed to put you behind the wheel so you can feel the engine for yourself and make a decision with total confidence.
And starting with a trial gives you some really clear advantages. You get that practical, hands-on experience we talked about. You can actually explore all the features and tools we've covered. And probably the most important thing, you can assess if it really fits your specific needs. This way, if you do decide to commit, you know you're doing it with 100% confidence.
Whew, we have covered a lot of ground today. We've seen the engine, we've looked under the hood, and we've talked about taking it for a test drive. So now, it's time to start thinking about your own journey and planning the road ahead.
So let's pull up your takeaway dashboard and summarize. Number 1, digital transformation is the real answer to those frustrating, disconnected systems. 2, Zoho gives you a powerful, connected ecosystem with core apps like CRM, Creator, and Books. 3, real customization by an expert is what unlocks the true potential of all of it. And finally, number 4, that free trial is your risk-free, strategic first step to see it all in action for yourself.
So I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. If you had the keys to this engine right now, what is the very first, most frustrating, time-consuming process in your business that you would totally transform? Whatever your answer is, that is the starting line for your digital transformation journey. Thanks for joining me.